And the players lined up because there was an earthquake in Afghanistan, eastern Afghanistan, and in solidarity with the Afghanistan earthquake, there'll be a minute's silence. So let's go down to Ahmed.
Last night, just before midnight, a powerful earthquake struck the Afghan provinces of Kunar, Nangarhar and Laghman. It caught people in their sleep, taking hundreds of precious lives and leaving thousands more injured. In this moment of grief, the ECB management, together with the players and match officials, invite you to stand with us to honor the memory of those lost, to pray for the injured, and to show solidarity with the people of Afghanistan. We now ask you to please join us in observing 1 minute of silence. بنی آدم اعضای یک دیگرند که در آفرینش ز یک گوهرند چو عضو بدرد آورد روزگار دیگر عضوها را نماند قرار په دې غمیزه کې موږ ټول د افغانستان درانه ولس سره یو او الله دې وکړي چې هغه چې وفات شوي دي الله جنتونه ورکړي او څوک چې زخمیان دي الله دې عاجله شفا ورکړي او د افغانستان ولس دې الله نور راتلونکو پیښو څخه وساتي.
Devastating news. Our thoughts and prayers to everything that has happened, everyone there.